Umur dia 28 tahun. Pada peringkat awal, rambut dia nipis dan semakin masa rambut nipis tu sudah menjadi lebih teruk. Jadi dia buat keputusan untuk datang ke GLOJAS untuk melakukan SMART FUE teknik.
I'm 28 years old. I'm from Mampang, so my family has a history of baldness. So since few years back, I started seeing my hair receding and all, and I tried many alternative treatment, and it didn't work. It wasted a lot of my money. So that's why I decided to go to GLOJAS to start up with the SMART FUE treatment. And since then, my hair has improved so much that I never expected it can be improved. Especially when during my initial days, I thought there's no other options anymore for me. And right now I feel so good, especially I gain my confidence. I'm able to, speak to people more properly, and it also can help other friends to improve their hair as well. So I'd like to thank the GLOJAS team, especially Professor Dato Dr. Jas J, for all of his kindness and especially his knowledge sharing to me and what I can do to improve my hair. Thank you.